All right, good evening, everyone. Doing this voiceover, hopefully in one take. So this is two journals for my Calico Collage design team project for the month of November. Here's a look at the very first one. Now, unfortunately for you guys, fortunately for me, unfortunately for you guys, these are both sold already before I posted the flip through video. So you can see here, I've made 3 pockets. Now this is made from a paper bag, just a paper sack, brown paper sack. So I did some painting on it, just card swipe technique, and I've done some really fun work here that usually is not my style, but I really enjoyed doing this. So anyway, you guys can see here, I've also used the Shabby Stitches stamp set by Beeline Design, sold through Linda Israel, linked down below for my affiliate. And then also you can see just a few tags. I've put 3 pockets in the first cover. Technically, it's a trifold journal, so 3 pockets in the first, 1, 2 right there, a third one and the flap here that I'll show you here in just a moment, and maybe, and then one in the back and a couple here in the journal itself. Now, the second journal that we'll get to here in a little bit, it's just a little bit different, but I really enjoyed making both of them, and as I said before, this really isn't my style, but I quite enjoyed it, and I love this tag for some reason. Not sure why, but I love the tag, and I just love the way that the Shabby Stitches stamp really looked on it. So yeah, you guys can see a whole bunch of the wonderful design elements that Norella made. So go over to Calico Collage and check this out. Now these are taken from different kits. She's got, I believe, 4. There's an Advent with numbers for like a December daily or countdown to Christmas type of thing. And then there's the Candy Christmas kit. There's Baby's First Christmas, which is an add-on. And there's the Ephemera kit. So there's 4 total, all at great prices. And again, this is not quite my style, but it was very fun to work with. So you can see the collage there again on the back, little flap thing. And I pulled that one out on accident. What I meant to do was show you this small pocket with the small, cute little tag there. And so yeah. So that's the first one. Oh yeah, I need to add some a little bit of a closure, because it keeps liking, every time I set it on my table, it kept wanting to go back and open back up, and so I was like, yeah, well, that's not going to work, because initially I wasn't going to put in a closure, and now I'm like, well, I've got some of this string type stuff. It's got a weird feel. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but there's string type stuff and some Happy Mail last year, and so I was like, well, I'm just going to use this because it looked really nice. And so yeah, so both of these are already sold. Thank you to the 2 ladies that bought them. I was pleasantly surprised when I woke up, actually one of which was before I went to sleep today, so thank you so much for purchasing these. And yeah, so I'll be making a couple more journals, or one more journal. Ta-da, this one's done. I'll be making at least one more journal, but this one I'm showing for my, these 2, I'm showing for my Calico Collage design team project for the month of November. So you can see here, I haven't made all the tags yet, but I will show you here in just a moment. That's what's over to my right, by my right hand. Some tags that I've got that are still probably drying a little bit. See, so I did some paint swiping like I did on the covers, and these will make up the tags, and so I'll fix those tonight. But anyway, back to the journal. This one's a lot of the same, same type of pockets, on the covers and all that. Just a little bit different embellishment clusters. I've added some more lace. So just a little bit different. I haven't done the shabby stitches in the inside of the journal because I feel like I may have overdone it on the first one, so I just kind of wanted to see what it would look like without all the stitching. So anyway, looks good with and without. Sometimes it's just good to change things up just a little bit. And anyway, so yeah, had a lot of fun making this, and it's so weird because usually, you know, I don't do the cute stuff, but this was definitely really fun. So I'm going to make another closure here and cut it off. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, guys, links down below for the supplies or the printables that you saw here, and then the shabby stitches that I used, the stamp set from Beeline Designs. It's real down below in the description, clearly labeled, so if you have a problem looking for that, then just keep scrolling and you'll end up finding it. So alright, as I tie this knot, I'm going to tie up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.